Shakira, from what prosecutors are wanting, they want her to serve an 8-year prison sentence in a tax fraud case. Now, this is through our peoples at TMZ. Shakira will do no more than 8 years in a Spanish prison if prosecutors get their way. Prosecutors in Spain said Friday if a jury convicts her for bilking the government out of $15 million in taxes, they'll ask the judge to throw the book at her. 8 years and 2 months behind bars. So Shakira is being prosecuted for tax fraud, accused of paying Zippo in taxes between 2012 and 2014, during which she allegedly spent more than half of the year in the country. A rep for the singer told the People, Shakira has always cooperated and abided by the law, demonstrating impeccable conduct as an individual and as a taxpayer, and faithfully following counsel of PricewaterhouseCoopers, a prestigious, globally recognized tax firm. They continue. Unfortunately, the Spanish tax office, which loses 1 out of every 2 lawsuits with its taxpayers, continues to violate her rights and pursue yet another baseless case. Shakira is confident that her innocence will be proven at the end of this judicial process. The authorities are out for blood. In addition to prison time, they want her to cough up $15 million in unpaid taxes, plus a whopping $24 million in fines. So the question comes to be, everybody, is Shakira going to jail for tax evasion? Let's start with Marsha.
Hell to the no.
Ooh.
I say I'm sick of all this stuff when it comes to taxes and people not paying their taxes. I feel as though it's the accountant's fault and we need to put them in jail.
Okay.
Honestly, because if I'm making enough money that I owe somebody $15 million, I can barely. Ain't no way in heck I'm responsible. I have an accountant that's supposed to be handling that, and they're probably mismanaging the money. So put them in jail.
Ooh.
They signed the tax return. I'm sick of it.
Damn.
And Shakira is sweet. She's just gonna shake a little hip.
Yeah.
And leave her alone.
Okay.
She's not going to jail. I'll loan her a couple hundred pennies.
Couple hundred pennies. Cortez, her hips don't lie, and that's a fact. But do you think that the Spanish tax department is lying about what she owes and what she should do?
To be honest with you, man, I think she can pay them off and then some, man. She's still a good performer, man.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
She's still a good performer,
and she's
bro,
on America's Got Talent as we speak this season. She's on there, right? Is she? No, I'm sorry. She is not. It's not that show. Apologize. There's another show that she's on. She's doing that like dance show, like show me like something where people are dancing on the screens and everything, and you got to challenge each other in dance moves and stuff like that. But either way, that's what she's on right now on NBC. GPS. Do you think she deserves to go to jail for tax evasion?
I'm gonna say no. Work it out. Come on. Things over the last few years, anything could have been overlooked.
Mm-hmm.
Just go ahead and give her a number to pay off and let that be that. Come on, cut it out. It's just taxes.
It's just taxes. Yeah, Cortez. Yeah, you pay your taxes, right, Cortez?
Yeah, I pay my taxes, man. Unfortunately, if I don't, they're gonna lock me up, man.
That's
I
true.
know how it rolls. It's just I just feel as though sometimes you can't be responsible for who's preparing your taxes, man. Because some people not up and up, man. As I said before, you think this is a good person doing your taxes, or your accountant's doing a good job. They could be embezzling from you or whatever, man. I don't think you should be penalized for that, man. I think they need to go after the person that committed the crime. But they go after you. They're like, you should have knew better. You should have knew better. Like I had no idea.
Yeah, that is very true. Very true on that part. So hopefully Shakira will be able to resolve this whole situation and everything, because like I said, she's a great talent. Shout out to of course Homeland Colombia, because she's Colombian home and bred. Give her a chance to take care of this whole situation, however it happened. Just let her pay and let bygones be bygones, and everything will be cool. And
she ain't gonna.
Go ahead.
I mean, let's be real. She's not. What they're gonna do is, man, she ain't gonna pay the whole thing. She's gonna, a lawyer or whoever is representing her is gonna go there and be like, all right, we know it's this amount, but we only gonna pay this amount. And they probably gonna be like, okay, as long as you making some attempt to pay it, that's all they're concerned with.